Paragraph from Scale Train 265. This train will be stopping here. But we do know. 118's leading. Well, 120's in the middle. Then we should have 906 at the back. Here goes Scale Train 265, except for 118 leading. 120 in the middle and 906 at the back. There it goes towards San Francisco. We're guessing Scale Train 252. We got an MP36 leading. Nine 26. And 115 to the back. 115 to the back. There it goes towards San Jose Station. And we'll see this later on 273. Alright guys, here comes Amtrak 537 running about an hour and 15 minutes late. Maybe due to, it's likely due to mechanical issues it was having. But I believe this train is supposed to be on train 546. Which I think that's exactly what we'll be seeing later. Okay, we have an F59 PHI leading, which is my first time catching one. 2001 2001 leading, or 2001 leading. Yeah. Nice. 8312 in the back. Nice. 8312 in the back, which is my favorite jet car. Alright, so there goes an hour and 15 minute late 537 off to San Jose. Okay guys, here comes Scale Train 269 coming right there. And we have a Caltrain coming out of the yard. Let's see if 269 will come first. See if it will be our first train that we will see before. Okay. There goes towards San Francisco. Okay, here comes Scale Train. Let's see. I think this is actually the real 252. maybe, but yeah, but I kind of forgot. But oh, actually, it's my bad. It's technically 254. I forgot. 919 is leading. And 4,021. Okay, there goes towards there goes to San Jose, and then off to Gilroy on the Gilroy extension. Okay, guys, here comes Amtrak cannot be on time today. Here comes the 18-minute late 5:42. About to come through Goldsboro Station. Oh wow, it's that we have 80 through 12. I get it now. Trains that are on 5:37 on 5:42. And 2001. That was a great horn. That was great. Okay, so of course, I know this train was late due to late inbound equipment on 537 that we just saw earlier. So there it goes towards Sacramento, and then eventually off to, and I think it goes to Auburn. Okay, here comes Scale Train 273. We should have 115 leading, and we should have 926 at the back. Oh, looks like train 256 is just arrived. He's arriving in Santa Clara now. Okay, there we go. But anyway, there goes 273 to San Francisco. Here comes Scale Train 256 with 901 leading. And I don't know, I forgot what character was on this set. I know we did see it last week twice on the same, when he's no, not last week. I was meant, well, maybe I did see it last week, but we did see it back when we were on train to California Avenue and San Antonio. But here it comes. There it is. Here goes Scale Train 256 with 901 leading. You'll notice this train goes off to Gilroy. But anyway, either 4021 or 4022 should be okay. Either of those could be okay. Oh, my bad. It was actually 4026. I just forgot. But anyway, this train was on 253 earlier, if you didn't see. But anyway, there it goes off to San Jose and eventually off to Gilroy. East train number 8. We should have 3308 31, no, 2040, and I forgot what else, what charge it is. My bad, it's 3302. Right, 3110 was at the back, so there it goes towards Stockton. Our guest comes Scout Train 281, and behind us is, I believe it's Scout Train 264. What about the street? There goes towards San Francisco. Alright guys, here comes Amtrak train 546. Behind us comes Go train 260. Oh. Oh, maybe we have another train coming. '69, 63. Looks like it switched sets around. Okay. 2107 it is. Okay. There goes. There goes 546 off to Sacramento. Here comes Scout Train 264. Here comes Scout Train 264. $9.18. And of course, 119 is at the back. Okay, so there it goes off to San Jose.